Alright, Forex market guys, we're back with the second analysis for the day. Today we got the Dow Jones. We wanted to touch base with the stock market because we feel that there's a big tipping point that seems to be taking shape, and we had to come back and report about it. So basically what I'm trying to say here, guys, is that we feel that the market is about to turn around. I mean, it's not like we had a strong upside trend leading to this point. That was not the case. It's actually a bit of it's a sideways movement, right? It's a big, wide trading range that's been building itself ever since May, right? Ever since even before May, even in April, price started to stagnate. But yeah, later on it kind of started to trade sideways in a wide range, and it's doing that ever since. It's true that price was coming up in the last month or so, but it was still doing that in that range, right? In that range of these this key level system that you see right in front of you. The interesting part was when it was engaging with the top resistance here, 35,422. Right, you can see the number. It's a big number, but it's also a big resistance level. And price action was just there for a few days. Right, it was, I guess, challenging that level. In one day, it was even crossing over for a quick day, and then dropping back below. Right, I want to show you how this looks like from the weekly perspective. It's much more profound. Check this out. Right, this is what we call laser sharp precision. Right across that level, 35,422. Price action was there twice. It was there last week, tried to cross over, failed, dropped, closed that week right below that big resistance level. And this week also started on the way up, tried to cross over, and then failed again. But now you can see what's going on. This is a complete free fall. So price definitely having a huge impact from the encounter with that big resistance level. And what it spells is a downside reversal, right? That's the bottom line. So we feel that on the background of this big failure to break that last line of resistance, price is going to be spending some time now turning around and going back to where it came from, because at the end of the day we're still talking about a sideways movement, right? So what we should expect at this point is another leg going all the way back to the lower section here. So now we're talking about 33,624 as the target, right? It's a little bit more than 1,000 points, right? From 34, almost 35 to 33,600, right? We do have an obstacle pretty close by at 34,574. As you can see, price action has to break that level in order to reach the other side of that range. But I think it's going to do that. I think it has all the potential to do that because it's coming from a definite high, because that high took all the previous highs, and because it literally knocked off that last line of resistance at 34 or 35, wasn't able to break it. Now turning around has all the potential to reach 33,624 and even beyond. Possibly it could go all the way to the previous low and chase that low at 32,900. So now we're talking about the bigger move, potentially speaking, but we're going to be focusing on 33,624 as the main target for this one, right? So let's see how it goes. I mean, we've already got 2 days where price action is kind of pumping up that negative momentum. Today, I guess it's too early to determine where the wind's going to blow, but I'm definitely looking forward to see how today is going to end up. And yeah, hopefully we're going to come shortly to follow up on the situation here, and we'll keep you posted, guys. That's about that for the day today, Forex market. See you in the next video. We're going to talk about the cryptocurrency market. Stay tuned.